Hello friends, welcome to AQ IAS YouTube channel. This session is another episode of our daily current affairs series. In today's session, we'll try to understand about nanotechnology. So we'll try to know what this technology is, and we'll have little idea about the application of nanotechnology, and then I'll put some light on the concerns in the field of nanotechnology. So recently, scientists and students working on nanomaterials, they held a meeting. So they discussed the progresses and trends in the field of nanotechnology. They emphasized on the application of nanotechnology in quantum devices, quantum materials, storage, energy conversion, and so on. So this is a technology which involves manipulation of matter. Okay, so what is this manipulation of matter? Suppose, so this manipulation, first you have to understand this manipulation, it can be at atomic level, it can be at molecular level, and it can be at super molecular level. Okay, so atomic level, suppose you have a substance. Okay, now you want to modify the behavior, so it can be done because the behavior of the substance, it depends upon the behavior of electrons. Okay, so whether it will behave like a metal or insulator or semiconductor. Now these characteristics depend upon the behavior of electrons. So this behavior of electrons, it can be modified. Okay, so you have this substance. Now this part of the substance, it can be made to behave like metal, okay, by modifying the behavior of electrons. This part of the substance can be made to behave like a semiconductor, and this part of the substance can be made to behave like an insulator. So it all depends upon the behavior of electrons. So under this technology, this behavior is modified. So modification of matter. So it can be at atomic level, it can be at molecular level, or it can be at super molecular level. Now in India, the research regarding nanotechnology, it started in 2001. But in 2007, a significant development took place when the government of India launched Nano Mission. This is very important. Remember this fact. In 2007, Nano Mission was launched. So this mission had wider objectives, more fund was allocated, and research under nanotechnology, it has been going on since 2001. But the significant development took place in 2007 with Nano Mission. Now, let's try to know about the applications of nanotechnology. Now, the applications can be seen in the field of healthcare. Applications can be seen in the field of medicine, industry, energy sector, etc. But there are some concerns also. And from the mains perspective, you must know about these concerns. So the first concern is India does not spend much. So money which is being invested by India, it is very, very less as compared to USA and Japan and China. Second, private sector is not very much excited about nanotechnology. So private sector contribution is absolutely minimal in the field of nanotechnology. And unfortunately, very few students, they are taking up nanotechnology as their careers. So this is also a matter of concern. So these are the concerns which we have as far as the nanotechnology is concerned. So from the mains perspective, just have little idea about these concerns. So in this session, we have discussed about nanotechnology, what this technology is. This technology is about manipulation of matter. It means changing the behavior of electrons. Then we discussed about Nano mission, which was launched in 2007. Although the research started in 2001, but Nano mission, which was a significant development as far as nanotechnology is concerned, and it was launched in 2007. Then we spoke about the applications, and these applications can be sealed in various fields like healthcare, industrial sector, and energy sector, medicine, etc. And then we spoke about the concerns, and I have provided the notes as well. Okay, and you can download this PPT, and if you have liked our initiative, you can subscribe our YouTube channel for more such videos, and you can also follow our social media platforms, and we upload daily current affairs on these various social media platforms. So that's all for today's session. I'll see you in the next session soon. Thank you very much.